Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Fiverr review. Is Fiverr still worth it for freelancers and clients? Well, we're diving deep into the sphere of freelancing and online marketplaces. Specifically, in this video, we'll be taking a closer look at Fiverr. You've probably heard of it, the platform where you can get everything from a logo design to a website build, often starting at just a few dollars. But is Fiverr still the go-to platform for both freelancers looking to earn and clients seeking affordable services? We're going to break it all down for you step by step, thus covering everything you need to know. To get started, we've got the link to Fiverr in the description to get you started. Now, I'd like to start with the features. Fiverr has evolved significantly since its early days of $5 gigs. Now, here's a look at some of its core features. You have a diverse service categories. Here in Fiverr, you can find services in virtually every digital field imaginable. This includes fields such as graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music and audio, programming and tech, web development, and more. Then you have another feature called Fiverr Pro. This is where clients who are seeking top-tier talent gets a selection of vetted professionals who have been reviewed and approved based on their experience, education, and service quality. This provides an added layer of assurance for more complex or high-stakes projects. Then you have a secure payment system. Fiverr handles all payments securely, and funds are held in escrow until the client is satisfied with the delivered work. This provides protection for both buyers and sellers. Then you have the rating and review system. Both buyers and sellers can rate and review each other after transaction. This feedback system helps build trust and reputation within the platform. Then you have good communication tools. Fiverr provides built-in messaging tools to facilitate communication between buyers and sellers regarding project details and revisions. The Fiverr Workspace suite of tools is designed to help freelancers manage their business, including invoicing, contract creation, proposals, and time tracking. While a free version exists, a paid unlimited plan offers more features like unlimited client and the removal of Fiverr branding. And now I'd like to talk about the pricing. Fiverr's pricing structure is a key aspect for both freelancers and clients, so let's break it down. Starting with clients who buy the services. You have gig prices. Freelancers get to set their own prices for their gigs, ranging from a few dollars to thousands, and this depends on the complexity and the scope of the service being rendered. You have service fees. Fiverr charges a service fee on each purchase. This fee is typically 5.5% of the purchase amount. However, if the purchase is under $75, an additional flat fee of $2.50 is added. Then you have the Fiverr Pro. Services from Fiverr Pro sellers generally come at a higher price point, thus reflecting their expertise and experience. However, if you're looking for guaranteed quality and professionalism, it can be a worthwhile investment. And when it comes to the pricing for freelancers who are providing these services, you have a commission to think about. Fiverr takes about 20% commission on all earnings, including tips. This means that for every $100 you earn from a gig, you will receive $80. Now, when it comes to withdrawal fees, there might be fees associated with withdrawing your earnings from Fiverr, and this depends on the chosen withdrawal method, such as using PayPal, Payoneer, or bank transfer. These fees vary based on the provider and the amount being withdrawn. Then you have the Seller Plus, which is an optional paid subscription. Fiverr offers a Seller Plus subscription with various tiers that provide additional benefits for freelancers such as advanced analytics, buyer insights, faster payout, dedicated success manager, and priority customer support. So these are the details you need to consider depending on if you're a client or a freelancer. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, we'd like to start with the pros and cons for the clients. And with the pros, we can see that it is cost effective. It has a wide variety of services which you can choose from, access to freelancers from literally around the world, secure transactions, and transparency through ratings and reviews. On the flip side, for clients with the cons, communication challenges can exist. Language barriers or time zone differences can sometimes lead to communication issues. And then when it comes to the service fees, buyers need to factor in additional service fees on top of the gig price. Then limited direct interaction. The platform structure might limit in-depth discussions before purchasing a gig. And if you're a freelancer, here are the pros. You have a large potential client base, you have work time flexibility, ease of use to get started, secure payment processing, a fair opportunity to build your reputation on Fiverr, and Fiverr has a great marketing potential, which brings clients to you. Seller Plus benefits. Now, if you're on the paid subscriptions, you get to be offered valuable tools and support to help grow your business. On the flip side, the competition is quite high. You might also consider the 20% commission to be on the high side as well. The limited control over platform changes, where freelancers are subject to Fiverr's policies and fee structures, can be a con. The waiting period for funds is also a concern. There is typically a waiting period before you can withdraw your earnings. And if you're in a haste, you might find this a con. And it can be a race to the bottom on the price, because there is a pressure to offer low prices to compete, and this has the potential to devalue your skills. So is Fiverr still worth it? We can say yes, but with nuances for both freelancers and clients. If you're a client, Fiverr remains a valuable source for finding a wide range of services at competitive prices. The key here is to be diligent in your research, carefully review freelancer portfolios and ratings, and clearly communicate your project requirements. Fiverr Pro offers a reliable option for those prioritizing top quality talent. If you're a freelancer, Fiverr provides access to a massive global market and a platform to showcase your skills. However, the high competition and commission rate means that the success requires effort, a strategic pricing, excellent service delivery, and a potential investing in tools like Seller Plus to gain an edge. Ultimately, Fiverr is a powerful platform that connects talents with opportunity. By understanding its features, pricing, and the associated pros and cons, both freelancers and clients can leverage it effectively to achieve their goals. Do you have any experiences with Fiverr? And did you find this review helpful? Well, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to use the link in the description so you can get a head start on Fiverr, and thanks for watching.